What's up, everybody? It's missiblazed back with another smoke sesh. Today we are going to talking about Shop Hello Mary. So just want to give a shout out to Shop Hello Mary for sending us some fire always. They sent us 14 grams of strawberry cough and 14 grams of Wagyu and 1 gram of Tropicana cherry and 1 gram of Super Boof. So thank you so much, Shop Hello Mary. We are going to hop right into taste testing the strawberry cough out of her. Let me find a lighter and I will be right back. All right, we're gonna hop right into taste testing strawberry cough. So let's see. Oh yeah, it hits back. It does taste very fruity. It has like a very like tangy strawberry hint to it. So that's, look at this. This is the strawberry cough. Look at that. Absolutely. Thank you, Shop Hello Mary. Now we are going to hop right into the resin, the live rosin cold cured from Shop Hello Mary. We're gonna try the Tropicana cherry. The Yocan pin has been a lifesaver. And then we're just gonna drop her in there. She's getting a bath tonight, so preheat. Cheers, skis. It does have like a super tropical taste to it. And you can very much taste the tropical and the cherries, so I give Tropicana cherry 2 thumbs up. The Super Boof, we're going to try her next. Scoop it up. Let's get ready to die again. So drop her in there. Cheers. The Super Boof is boofing. I don't even know how to describe that. Like, don't know. I'm not sure, but it does taste good. Now we are going to end the sesh with some Wagyu. So let's hop right into it. Thank you, Shop Hello Mary. You always send me a lighter, and I have saved every single one of them. I know it's weird to say, but it does have like a beefy taste to it. Like, I don't know. When I first hit it, when I first tried it, it was like, what the fuck? But it is super good. It is smalls, but it's still super powerful. The high is super good. The head high is good. I feel like this one is more of nighttime. So make sure you use my code BLAZE10 to get 10% off at Shop Hello Mary for all your purchases. And stay blazed.